we have a little something special for you guys.
We've been asking all of our married friends for advice for our big day, and the #1 tip they said was to not miss any of the candid moments.
We want to capture every single moment so we don't miss them, whether it's Drew and Linda dancing, the cake and dessert area, anything we have. We want to make sure we capture it all.
We are gonna arm every table with an instant camera, and we're just gonna let guests go wild and take photos of everything.
Exactly. And what are these vintage suitcases for? This is where we're gonna display all the photos. We're doing a destination wedding, so it would fit.
And we wanna take all of our memories with us. Here's what you'll need. Push pins, some pretty ribbon for mine, some scissors to cut the cork, a pen and a marker, instant camera and film, glue gun and glue sticks, and of course the cork board. So first step is to cut the cork board. We are going to cut it so that it fits on the inside of either side of the suitcase. You can get this cork from any arts and crafts store. You might have to double up the cork so that it's thicker and so that the push pins go in all the way.
You can eyeball it, but just clean up the edges when you're done. Time to bring in the glue gun girl.
Glue dries super quick, so just do it in small sections. Just be careful because sometimes the cork can break.
You can leave a few inches between lines for the glue gun. You just need to make sure that it's stuck nice and solid. Looking good.
That was the hardest part.
Around the edge of the cork board, if you don't like the finished cork edge, you can actually do some trim work as well. All right, let's get some photos to stick on here.
All right, I'm gonna call this one Getting Cheeky With It.
Perfect. Pin that in. Let's use one of your fancy pins. Boop. It has begun.
Depending on the suitcase you have, it might not stand up. This one's a little flimsy, so I've added a ribbon so that it stands on its own. Pin me.
Pinning. If you don't mind giving us some privacy, this is our time.